Have you ever noticed how some phones start receiving updates almost immediately after launch, while others keep you waiting for months? Well, Samsung just proved once again that it's serious about supporting its devices, because the S25 FE, the newest addition to the Galaxy family, has already received its very first firmware update. And here's the thing, it's only been a few weeks since the phone came out. So, what's inside this first update for the S25 FE? Let's talk about it. The headline feature is an upgrade to the Now bar. If you've used Samsung's newer phones, you might already know what the Now bar does. It's that sleek little strip of information you can glance at right on your lock screen. With this update, the Now bar becomes even more useful because it now integrates with Google Finance to show live stock prices. Imagine unlocking your phone at the end of the day and seeing whether your favorite stock went up or down without even needing to open an app. That's exactly what the S25 FE now offers, thanks to this first software update. To make it work, all you need to do is add a stock to Google Finance, and the Now bar will automatically keep track of it. If there's a big change in the price, you'll see it right away. Samsung first introduced this feature on the Galaxy Z Fold 7, but now it's trickling down to other models. Starting with the S25 FE, that's a pretty exciting move, especially for people who like to stay connected to the financial markets. But that's not the only improvement. The update also brings the September 2025 security patch. Now, security patches don't always sound exciting, but they are absolutely essential. They fix hidden bugs, protect your data, and keep your phone safe from new threats. And the fact that Samsung is rolling it out this quickly for the S25 FE shows that the company isn't treating the Fan Edition line as second class. It's giving it the same attention and care as its flagship devices. The third upgrade is what Samsung vaguely describes as improved behavior. That might sound a little mysterious, but it usually means the phone has received small tweaks and optimizations to make it smoother. Things like quicker app launches, more stable animations, or maybe even slightly better battery management. These are the kinds of improvements you might not notice immediately, but they add up over time and make the overall experience more enjoyable. Now, let's get into the technical details. The firmware version for this first update is S731BXXU1AYIB, and the file size is about 560 megabytes. That's a pretty hefty update for a phone that just came out, which tells us Samsung really wanted to make some meaningful changes right away. If you own the S25 FE, you can download it easily by going to Settings, then Software Update, then tapping Download and Install. And if you're more of a power user, you can even grab the firmware directly and install it manually using Samsung's Odin tool. So why does all of this matter? Because the Fan Edition phones are meant to strike a balance. They give you many of the flagship level features, but at a price that's easier on the wallet. And when Samsung shows strong software support from day one, it makes the S25 FE even more appealing. Nobody wants to feel ignored after buying a new phone. Instead, S25 FE owners are already seeing new features, extra security, and smoother performance just weeks after launch. To wrap it up, this first update for the S25 FE brings three key things: stock prices on the Now bar through Google Finance, the latest September 2025 security patch,